Installing an intrusion switch cable. Align the intrusion switch with the guide slot and shoulder pin on the chassis, and then push the intrusion switch in until it is seated in place. Press the intrusion switch toward the chassis, and then fasten the captive screw to secure the intrusion switch. Connect the intrusion switch cable to the system board. Reinstall the following components: processor air baffle, all the PCIe assemblies, if applicable the internal drive cage, top cover, if applicable the security bezel. Refer to the Installing a Processor Air Baffle video to complete the parts replacement.